Hey everyone, today let's dive into a topic that affects us all. The shocking truths about processed foods in the US. First off, what exactly are processed foods? Imagine your favorite bag of chips, frozen dinners, and even that quick microwavable burger. These are all examples of processed foods. Essentially any food that's been canned, cooked, frozen, packaged, or changed in nutritional composition with preserving agents, artificial flavors, or other chemical additives. Now why should you care? Well, while these foods are convenient, their impacts on health are far from benign. Processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy levels of salt, sugar, and fat, which can lead to obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic health issues. Let's put this into perspective. Picture this. A regular meal of whole foods like fresh vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains contains natural nutrients and fibers. Compare this with a processed meal which might contain over half the daily recommended intake of sodium and saturated fats in just one sitting. But it's not just what's added, it's also what's taken away. Many processed foods lack essential nutrients stripped away during their manufacturing. What you're left with is calorie-dense but nutritionally poor food. Essentially, you're filling up on empty calories. The prevalence of these processed foods is staggering. Walk into any US supermarket and you'll see aisles upon aisles stocked with them, often overshadowing the sections with fresh produce. This shift in the marketplace is alarming because it nudges consumers towards making unhealthy choices more frequently. And it doesn't stop there. The environmental impact of producing processed foods is significant, involving high energy consumption, excessive water usage, and substantial waste generation, further complicating the ethical considerations around their consumption. So what can we do? Start by making small changes. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables instead of canned. Choose whole grains over refined. Cook meals at home more often to control what goes into your food. And importantly, educate yourself and others about the impacts of processed foods. Remember, every small step towards eating more natural foods contributes to a healthier life and a healthier planet. Now let's talk about the hidden ingredients in processed foods. Many of these foods contain ingredients that are hard to pronounce and even harder to understand. Artificial preservatives like BHA and BHT are commonly used to extend shelf life but have been linked to potential health risks. Then there are artificial colors, which can affect behavior and have been associated with hyperactivity in children. High fructose corn syrup is another common ingredient, often used as a sweetener, but linked to obesity and metabolic issues. Trans fats found in many processed foods are known to increase the risk of heart disease. The list goes on, making it challenging for consumers to make informed choices. One way to avoid these hidden dangers is to choose foods with simple, natural ingredients. Cooking at home with whole foods allows you to control what goes into your meals. Let's make those choices count. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how you can live a healthier life. See you next time.